Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the battery for your Kia Cerato 2019 remote control of the car or the key fobs. So you need to open up this, so press on this button to open up the keys, and we need to open up this plastic. Now underneath here there is indentations right here, so we want to put a flat screwdriver and then pry it up a little bit. Doesn't have to be a lot, just pry it up a little bit just so it come off a little bit, just around here. And then you can use your fingernails or your fingers and just pull it out. It should come off, and then that's it. So just pry it off like that. Now there are 4 screws to be removed, so remove the 4 screws and then take out the cover. There's another one here, and then to unscrew it completely and then take out the cover. Now once you remove the cover, there is a battery inside. We're going to get a flathead screwdrivers and push it down on this side a little bit. So push it down and then just open it up. And to get a replacement battery, you need this type of battery. So it's CR2032 3 volts. With a new battery, you can just push it back in like so. Make sure it's that way, and then put the cover back on with the 4 screw back in. So put the 4 screw back into here. Now once you have put the 4 screws back in, you can put back the cover, and then that's it. So here, just snap it right in, and then that's it. So that's how you can replace the new battery for your Kia Cerato 2019. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.